As you can see, I have some problems with my mouse pointer. So let's install the Virtual Guest Edition. Look, the problem is this: when I click inside the VirtualBox screen, the mouse pointer moves quickly to the right corner. Look, here we have. Okay, so I will install the guest additions to avoid this behavior. This problem maybe is caused by the conflict between VirtualBox and Sharex, the application that I use to record these videos. But don't worry, let's fix the problem. I click to insert the guest additions. With the keyboard, I'm controlling the windows. Root. Let's see what happened here. This error is because I have installed Virtual Guest Additions before. But for this video, I uninstall it. Yes, this is what I want. Look, here we have this error: Modprobe VirtualBox guest failed. So we need to do some steps in order to install the right kernel header version. Like this: kernel headers not found for target kernel. To return to close this window. Okay, so let's go to open a terminal. Okay. Terminal. Login as root. Press writing su space hyphen. And now let's update the repository. Now upgrade. Oh yes. Sorry. Okay. I need to enable the network. Okay. Right. Let's do it again. Upgrade. And now we must install a repository to get the kernel, GCC, kernel devel, kernel headers, dkms, make, bzip2, and package. So let's write this. PM. Okay. A PROS is already installed. Okay, we don't have to do more. And now I'm going to install the package that I need. Oh, kernel headers, okay. Yes. This old package let us to install the virtual guest additions in a right way. Kernel dev, GCC, kernel headers. Look here, what is the limitation that I have now? The screen, we can't use a full screen. Look, I can move this to full screen. I can share or use the clipboard in a bidirectional way. I mean, I want to copy things or text from Windows operating system to virtual operating system like this, CentOS. And the other thing is the mouse pointer problem, the keyboard, of course. Okay, it is finished. Now, like we have installed kernel headers, we need to restart the system. Let's restart in order that the operating system boot with new kernel headers. Let me mount the virtual guest additions. Let's wait until the CentOS is starting up again. Remember, now it's working with the new headers, kernel headers. That's why this starting up is taking a long time. Okay, let's change to see the processor starting up. I press spacebar because I want to see what is happening. Okay. Great. So let's check. We don't have any disk in our virtual drive, CD drive. So let's log in. Okay, and now let's execute this addition. Run. Now I have better control over my mouse pointer. As you can see, the screen now is in adjust mode. It is removing the first time we try to install the files. And then it should be show us the process of the installation and getting no errors. Maybe some warnings, but the mod pro virtual guest failed. It won't show anymore. Look, now it is telling us that building the modules for kernel. Remember that in the first installation we have the message. No kernel headers for this. No kernel versions for this module. Something like that. Okay, now we have the new message. File context for OPT. It's okay because remember we have installed VirtualBox Guest Edition, but we had errors. And the next one is VirtualBox Guest Editions running kernel modules will not be replaced until the system is restarted. Okay, so this is telling us that we must restart the system, but we need to wait to get the press indicate to continue to close window. That is the signal about the installation. Guest addition is installation is finished. For return, close this window. Okay, this is the signal. Return. And now let's turn off our computer. And let's start again. Let me check some configuration because it is taking a long time. Okay, I guess 5 for RAM. Let me see for video. I have 128, so I will assign the half memory. Okay, let's enable 3D acceleration. Okay, and let's play or start again. Okay, let's check that now the virtual machine is integrated with our mouse pointer, and keyboard, and of course our clipboard bidirectional. Yes, it's enabled. Bidirectional drag and drop is bidirectional now. Okay. Here in our hard disk, we can see that it has activity with the circle on green and red. Again, this is taking a long time because remember, VirtualBox, last message that showed us was that we need to restart the computer in order to load the new models that it was built. Click on Magento. Now we have entire full screen. Let's check the integration. Auto adjustment is working now. And look what is the effect over the mouse pointer. Look how this changed automatically without press any key. Look, from black to white cursor. And let's check or verify the keyboard, the clipboard. Now I'm going to Windows Word in the Windows and press here, and now I can paste the text. This helps us for the next activities because we can work quickly.